Welcome. Hope you like this video.
Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Chapter 6 of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is titled Imagination, the Workshop of the Mind. In this chapter, Hill explores the role of imagination as a powerful tool for achieving success and manifesting one's desires. Here are the key points from Chapter 6. 1. Imagination defined. Hill defines imagination as the workshop of the mind and describes it as a faculty through which ideas are created and transformed into plans and actions. Imagination allows individuals to visualize and conceptualize their goals. 2. The two types of imagination. Hill distinguishes between two types of imagination. Synthetic imagination. This type involves rearranging existing ideas, concepts, or elements to create new combinations or solutions. It is a form of creative thinking. Creative imagination. This is a form of imagination that goes beyond rearranging existing elements and allows individuals to tap into new, original ideas and inspirations. The role of desire. Hill reiterates that a burning desire is essential for activating the creative powers of the imagination. Strong desires provide the motivation and focus needed to engage the imagination effectively. The connection to specialized knowledge. Imagination often works in conjunction with specialized knowledge. Specialized knowledge provides the raw materials and information that the imagination can then use to generate ideas and solutions. 5. Visualization. Visualization is discussed as a technique for harnessing the power of the imagination. Hill recommends that individuals create vivid mental images of their goals and desires as if they have already been achieved. This practice can help reinforce one's belief and commitment to their goals. 6. The subconscious mind. Imagination is closely tied to the subconscious mind. Hill suggests that the subconscious mind acts upon the thoughts and images provided by the imagination, making it a crucial tool for influencing one's actions and decisions. 7. Overcoming fear and doubt. Hill acknowledges that fear and doubt can stifle the creative powers of the imagination. He advises readers to replace fear and doubt with belief and positive thoughts to free their creative faculties. 8. The relationship between imagination and practical action. Hill emphasizes that imagination alone is not enough. It must be coupled with practical action to bring ideas into reality. Imagination provides the vision, while action provides the execution. In summary, Chapter 6 of Think and Grow Rich delves into the concept of imagination and its pivotal role in achieving success. Hill explains that imagination allows individuals to create and visualize their goals and ideas, providing the motivation and direction needed to pursue them. He discusses the two types of imagination, the connection between imagination and specialized knowledge, and the practice of visualization. Hill also stresses the importance of overcoming fear and doubt to unleash the creative powers of the imagination and emphasizes that practical action is essential for turning imaginative ideas into tangible results.
We would request you to appreciate our work by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you feel that this information is useful for any of your close friends, family members or even a colleague of yours, then please share this video with them. Our channel is dedicated to condensing the most impactful and thought-provoking books into bite-sized audio summaries that you can listen to whether you are commuting to work, working out at the gym, or simply relaxing at home. Our shorts provide you a platform to allow you to absorb knowledge effortlessly. So please subscribe.